properly. Hi, my kings and queens out there in the YouTube world. Thank you for viewing your girl and welcome back to the girl channel. What she was finna say? I don't know what she was finna say. So today, you guys, I come to you with the 5-day challenge created by Eating with K Cotton. Eating with K Cotton. So I seen her do a delicious pizza, honey. She had sauteed mushrooms. She had so many things on it. It looked so delicious. So I said, I need to go ahead and try that challenge too. You know why? Because I told y'all, I'm trying to lose some weight. And it's hard for these arms to go down. Okay? Even though I wear them out. Y'all, I'm so country. I'm sorry. I apologize. I shouldn't really apologize for being myself. So I can't apologize for that, you guys. I'm kind of loud. I'm a southerner. Okay, but let me tell y'all what's on my salad. I have cucumbers, cheese, walnuts, cherries, tomatoes, lettuce, of course, and my sauce. I have a little taste of ranch, Thousand Isles, in the Plainjaine sauce. Okay, Plainjaine sauce. Oh yeah, I took the kids with my daughter to the pool today. I'm out running around. I feel like I've been running around for a whole, at least 5 hours after I was trying to get home. So how everybody doing? Yeah, you guys, I be on here trying to sing these love songs and stuff. I want everybody who views this channel to feel the love, to feel the joy. I got a big old meal. Okay. I do. I stuck all that stuff in my mouth. Okay, whatever. Yeah. I just want us all to feel that. We gotta be comfortable. I be wrapping these paper towels up over here. I be having so many paper towels. I have so many paper towels sitting over here, honey. Anyway, you know, like back in the days, see, I'm a little different than some of y'all. And I say this because, like my girlfriends, their first time was just so exciting for them. I'm talking about they felt in love, joy. My girlfriends used to have fun, honey. And I remember them telling me the stories of how much fun and how exhilarating and exciting it was for them for their first time. Y'all know. Y'all know what I mean. Y'all know that song, like, what's the name of that song? It goes, tonight is the night that you make me a woman. You said you'll be gentle with me, and well, we ain't gonna get into that part. My girlfriends used to feel like, yeah, hey, oh, what if my mama was to come home early and catch us doing what we're doing? Not only will I never live to die, but my whole family relationship will all be lost. But guess what? We done gone way too far now. Oh, to turn around. So let's just pray that true love is what we found tonight, 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 tonight. Oh, I'll never forget tonight. No, no, I'll never forget tonight. It's yeah, I know what I'm talking. Made her feel real good. You making me feel real. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. Yeah, I want to thank you, love. I got to thank you, love, 'cause you made me feel good. And I love you, baby. You make me feel real good. And I love you, baby, 'cause you made me, good love. Yeah. Good love. I love it. I know it. I ain't so proud to show it. I love it. I know it. And I ain't too proud to show it. Tonight. 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 Listen. Everybody, y'all know. I remember the stories. How many of us mothers out here was shaking in our boots when our kids let us know that they was I still can't say it. My kids old as dirt. I still can't say it, that they was having intercoursal situations. How many of us parents of grown people or even teenagers, because honey, I tell you, they started teenagers. You know? Yeah. I love it. I know it. I ain't too proud to show it. That's how they be. Especially if you're an open mother like me. If you have you have a say-so in it, you're gonna be messed up, because they ain't gonna be stunned about you. They still gonna do what they want to do. Come on now. And make me a woman. You think you'll be gentle with me, and I'm hope you will. I'm nervous and I'm trembling, waiting for you to walk in. Trying hard to relax, but I just can't keep still. Oh, yeah. Y'all hear my voice be crappy? Okay. My voice is raggedy now, honey. It ain't nowhere near where it used to be. Okay. Chain, chain, chain. Chain of fools. Chain, 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 yang, 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 yang. Chain of fools. For 5 long years. I just like breaking out in song all the time, y'all. I don't know why. This salad is good, y'all. Anybody who wants to join us to the challenge, I don't think she called any Pacific people out. I seen her eating it, and she just said to make sure you tag in. Eating with K Cotton, created by Eating with K Cotton. So I'm gonna make sure y'all see it, right? That part right there. Yep, y'all. I hope y'all smiling, feeling good, loving on life, living your best life. Even in these situations, you know, I know a lot of people going through a lot. It's hard to think. It's so hard to process everything that's going on right now. It's going to be a better day, you guys, though. We know this. We know this. We got to know this. As a matter of fact, it's right around the corner. Oh, excuse me. A lot of us can't see it right now, but it's right around the corner. Yeah, I just wanted to jump in here, spend a little time with y'all, and to show y'all I'm definitely into this challenge. Because I think I need to lose at least. I ain't gonna tell y'all. I'm like, oh, she fat. Anyway. And they lose a few pounds. So 5 days of no meat. Then my daughter be working me out at least 30 minutes. Every other day. But I have been on a break, so I was working out. Just a little bit. But she had been out of town. But now she's back. And I can't slack. Okay? So you guys, thank you for coming in here, chilling with me. And viewing and you know, having a good time with me. Leave comments down below if you like this video. If you like this video and you're not subscribed, what you waiting on? Come on now. Show some love over here. Okay? And anyone in this comment section, or anyone showing love over here, I'm definitely showing love over there. Understand that. Okay? But I'm going to tell y'all something. I be trying to get to y'all. Because I in my mind, I'm busier than I need to be. Okay? And I be trying to get to y'all, and it seems like I just be, I'm like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I'm trying to get them all the time, and then I see some videos pop up while I'm watching the other one, and I be like, oh my God, I gotta go back to them. So, you know, I be trying to give everybody their time. So y'all give me a little time. It might take a day or so, I guess. Well, when I have downtime, I promise y'all, I go straight hours. Making sure I pay respect to everyone. Well, yeah, guys, so I'm done. I got my last cucumber. Y'all see, I didn't even play with this plate. I didn't realize it was gonna be so good without meat. I guess I should have, because, you know. And again, guys, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. Leave a thumbs up if you like it. If you haven't subscribed, like I said, go ahead and subscribe. Why not? I love you guys so much. Thank you.